Hello guys, welcome back to Code Santa. In this video, I am going to explain about 5 Fiverr gigs to earn 10,000 to 20,000 rupees per month just by spending 1 to 2 hours per day without any skills and zero investment. If you are new to this channel and don't have any idea about what is Fiverr, then check out this video. I have given the video link in the description. Without further ado, let's get started. Before that, shout out to Maddie, one of our random subscribers. Thank you for the constant support. Do you want to be among the 99% of the people or among the wisest 1%? If your answer is that 1%, consider subscribing to Code Santa now. I talk about programming, hacking, app development, web development and various other technologies. I will also be discussing about business, entrepreneurship, marketing strategies, financial freedom, investing, how to make money online, etc. The first gig I am going to talk about in this video is remove background. So basically, people will ask you to remove backgrounds of multiple images and you have to do it for them. Even if you don't have any editing skills or Photoshop, don't worry, I have a solution for you. So guys, now let's search for remove background. So these are the gigs available. This guy has completed more than 276 projects. Let's open this gig. See his sample works. These are just examples. See its price. To remove background for 10 images, he is charging 393 rupees. For 20 images, he is charging 786 rupees. And for 30 images, he is charging 1179 rupees. Now let's look at another gig. This girl has completed more than 400 projects. Let's open this gig. Take a look at these images. For 10 images, she charges 393 rupees. For 20 images, she charges 786 rupees. And for 100 images, she charges more than 3000 rupees. You can take a look at these reviews and description for better understanding. You can go through all these gigs. Okay, now let me show you how to remove background for any image. Go to remove.bg. So this site helps you to remove background for any image in a fraction of a second. Let me show you an example. Let's choose this image. That's it. The background has been removed completely. You can compare both original and edited pictures. You can now download the image and send it to the client. Let's look at the downloaded image. It's simple and effective. The second gig in this list is to convert files. Here, people will approach you to convert their files from one form to another. For example, converting Word document into PDF and vice versa. MKV files into MP4 and vice versa, etc. Again, you don't have to know these conversions. Just follow my steps. Now let's search for Word to PDF. You will get numerous results. This guy have completed more than 600 projects. Let's open this gig. Take a look at these images. It has a single plan for 393 rupees. Let's look at another gig. This girl has completed more than 100 projects. So she basically converts PDF to Word and vice versa. In the basic plan, she charges 393 rupees. In the standard plan, she charges 1572 rupees. In the premium plan, she charges more than 3000 rupees. Okay, now let's close this. I shall show you how to do it. Just search for ilovepdf.com. This site offers many tools. You can merge PDFs, split it, compress it, convert it to any other forms and vice versa. All these features are totally free and you can convert anything here. Now let's close this and search for JPG to PNG. Look at this gig. He has completed more than 1000 projects. Let's open it. In the basic plan, he charges 1572 rupees. In standard plan, 2358 rupees. And premium plan, more than 3000 rupees. So basically, he converts JPEG images into PNG or vectors with high quality. Let me show you how to do this. Go to vectorizer.io. Upload the image you want to convert. Let me choose this image. It takes a couple of seconds. That's it, done. You can choose any format you want to download the image.
Coming to the third gig, it's voiceover. Here, basically you need to give dubbing for a video. Or in other words, you need to speak the content that the clients send you, record it and send it back to the client. If you think you have a good voice, then do give it a try.
Okay, now let's search for voiceover. This guy has completed 750 projects. Let's open this gig. He has a single package for 7859 rupees. Go through his description to get an idea about this gig. Also, listen to these samples. Let's look at another gig. I will record a professional female voiceover. She has done more than 100 projects. Let's open it. To speak just 75 words, she is charging 2358 rupees. She also has a subscription plan. Go through her description. These are the types of voiceovers. There is no website for this. If you think you have a good voice, you can give it a try.
The fourth gig is to create PowerPoint presentations. Again, you don't have to be an expert. All you need is just a laptop or a mobile phone, and you can download the free templates from Google. Add the contents given by the client to that templates and send it back to the client.
Let's search for PowerPoint presentation. Let's open this gig. To make 5 slides, he is charging 1965 rupees. For 15 slides, he is charging more than 3000 rupees. For 30 slides, he is charging more than 11,000 rupees. Again, go through her description as an example. Let's look at another gig. He has done more than 200 projects. For basic plan, he charges 786 rupees. In standard plan for 10 slides, 1572 rupees. For 35 slides, he charges 3930 rupees. Okay, let me tell you what to do. Go to slidescarnival.com. This site offers numerous templates for PowerPoint presentations absolutely free of cost. You can also choose templates depending on the theme. For example, let's open this template. Click this button. This is the template design. You can go through each slides. All you have to do is download this template, edit its contents as per client's requirement and send it back to the client.
The fifth one is proofreading. For this, you need to know basic English grammars. You should identify mistakes in the contents, correct it and send it back to the clients. These mistakes include spelling mistakes, grammatical errors, punctuation mistakes, etc. Just follow these steps.
Now let's search for proofreading. This girl has completed more than 1000 projects. Let's open it. So she has 3 plans starting from 393 rupees. Standard plan for 1179 rupees. Premium plan for 3537 rupees. Take a look at her description for better understanding. Let's open this gig. I will be your professional proofreader and editor. She has a single plan for 393 rupees. Let me show you an example. This is a sample document. So basically, when you open the content sent by the client in MS Word, it would automatically highlight all the spelling mistakes and grammatical mistakes. You can simply edit the mistakes and send it back to the client. If it didn't highlight the mistakes by default, go to File, Options, in the Proofing tab. Ensure that these two checkboxes are unchecked. That's it.
Wait a minute, I have a bonus gig for you, but it needs little investment. Publishing Android apps. For this, you have to buy a Google Play developer account. You should pay $25 upfront for lifetime access. So basically, someone will approach you to publish their apps on your Google Play console and will pay you for that.
Now search for publishing apps. Let's open this gig. He has a single package for 393 rupees. Let's look at another gig. This guy has completed 33 projects. Let's open this gig. He has 3 packages starting from 393 rupees. 786 rupees. And 1572 rupees. Okay, now let me show you the projects I did. All these projects with less than $10 are done by publishing apps. $8, $5, $5, $7, $5. I have earned a total of $45 just by publishing apps.
That's it guys. If you find this video useful, do like this video, subscribe to Code Santa and share this video as much as possible. If you want me to upload more videos like these, do let me know in the comment section. Follow me on Instagram to get the latest updates.